What does f of x mean? And why should you almost never read it as f times x? At first, f, x, can look like two symbols sitting next to each other. But in function notation, f is the name of the rule, and x, inside the parentheses, is the input given to that rule. Read y equals f of x from the right side first. Take the input x, apply the rule named f, and call the result y. A function is an input-output rule. An input goes in, the rule acts, and an output comes out. If the same input goes through the same rule again, the output should be the same. A graph does not show just one answer. It shows many input-output pairs at once. Choose an input on the horizontal axis, move up to the curve, and then read the output on the vertical axis. One point on the graph is one pair. This input maps to this output. A table is another way to store known pairs. Each row can become one point on the graph. If we connect those points, the curve should go through the measured points, not just somewhere near them. In robotics, a function often looks like calibration. A desired speed can go in, and a motor command can come out. Or distance can go in, and sensor voltage can come out. The relationship may be curved, and that is still a function. Now the notation is jobs. Y names the output. F names the rule. X is the input. The domain is the set of allowed inputs, and the range is the set of possible outputs. Use the visual dictionary. F of x is a function call. Input means what goes in. Output means what comes out. Domain means allowed inputs. Range means possible outputs, and graph means a picture of many pairs at once. Now try reading f of 2. What is the input? The input is 2. What is the rule name? The rule is f. Where is the output? On the graph, move from input 2 up to the curve, then across to read the output. So f of 2 means the output of rule f when the input is 2. The common mistake is reading f, x, as f times x. Better read, f names the rule, and x gives the input. A function maps an input to an output. A graph shows the whole rule at once.